Growing up in Hong Kong, I saw these coconut tarts in every bakery, and it's easy to see why. I remember the buttery, tender pastry and that sweet coconut filling so well. Today, I'm putting a little citrus twist on this classic. I will show you how to make the buttery pastry from scratch, whip up a quick and easy coconut filling, and assemble these tarts with ease. Alright, let's start baking. Let's start with the pastry for the tart shell. We are using a food processor. You can do this by hand by rubbing the chilled butter into the flour, but this way is much faster and also keeps the butter from melting in your hands. After adding the ingredients into it, give it a few pulses until the mixture looks like breadcrumbs. Then add the milk and pulse just until the dough starts to come together. Tip the mixture onto a lightly floured surface. It may look crumbly, but just press and gather it into a dish. As you can see, I'm not kneading the dough, just bringing it together. Don't overwork it, otherwise the pastry will lose that tender, buttery texture we want. When it comes together as a dough, wrap it well and chill for about an hour. Chilling the dough helps the butter firm up and relaxes the gluten, so the pastry holds its shape during baking. This pastry is what gives Hong Kong coconut tarts that signature light, buttery shells. To make the filling is actually quite simple. First, beat 2 eggs in a large mixing bowl. Then add icing sugar and whisk until smooth. Next, stir in the shredded coconut and melted butter, making sure all the coconut is coated and the butter is fully incorporated. Now add the milk, lemon juice, and vanilla extract. I'm using the clear vanilla here to keep the filling pale yellow, but regular vanilla works just fine. Combine everything until evenly blended. For the dry ingredients, add in the flour, milk powder, corn flour, baking powder, and salt. Fold everything in until the mixture becomes uniform. Finally, add the lemon zest. This gives the coconut filling a bright, citrusy twist. And this is exactly what I mean by recreating a classic with my own touch. Give the filling one last gentle fold to make sure everything is fully incorporated. Chill it until it's needed. These are the 3-inch fluted metal tart molds I'm using today, just perfect for creating that classic coconut tart shape. I have got 10 of them, but this pastry actually makes enough for around 18 tarts. I'm placing the tart molds on a baking sheet lined with a silicone mat. This keeps them from sliding around while baking. Since I have 10 molds, I've just cut out enough dough for these and keep the rest chilled. To make sure each tart is even, I like to weigh the dough, about 25 grams per mold. To shape the tart, roll each dough into a ball. Place it in the mold. Then gently press it out with your thumbs, little by little, working from the center up to the rim. Turn the mold as you go to keep it even. Once the mold is fully covered, you can stop, trim any excess dough with a spatula and press it back into the shell. And that's it. Keep shaping the rest of the dough the same way. Once they are all done, chill the tart shells in the fridge for about 15 to 30 minutes or just until they feel firm to the touch. Now that the tart shells have chilled for 30 minutes, they are looking great. It's time to fill them with the coconut filling. Fill each tart shell with about 1½ tablespoons of the coconut filling. Just smooth the tops a little, no need to be perfect. Once all the tart shells are filled, bake them in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius fan for 20 to 25 minutes or until the tops turn golden brown. Just look at these tarts, they smell absolutely incredible. Let's take a moment to really appreciate them. Let them cool for about 10 minutes. Once they are easy to handle, gently squeeze the molds to release the tarts. They should pop out easily. Place them on a wire rack and enjoy them warm. And there you have it, my Hong Kong style coconut tarts with a hint of lemon. Growing up in Hong Kong, these tarts were always a staple in bakeries, and recreating them at home is like taking a little bite of my childhood. The buttery pastry, creamy coconut filling, and just a touch of citrus make them truly special. You can find the full recipe in the descriptions below, along with all my tips for getting perfect bakery-style tarts at home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with fellow home bakers. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I love helping you, and your question might help someone else too. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so we can keep baking together. As always, thank you so much for watching, and your support really means the world. If you love classic Hong Kong bakery flavors, you will definitely enjoy this coconut bun recipe. Soft, fluffy, and packed with coconut goodness. Click on the screen to watch it now. See you there. Happy baking. Bye for now.